Uh, so guys, for this video, I will teach you how to install Visual Studio Code and C and C++ compiler for Windows. So start by opening your browser and going to this link. All of this will be shared to you, by the way. So if you are on Mac, it will show up for Mac. The installation process I think is mostly similar when you click on the executable file and it installs, but I'm going to show it for Windows. You have to give it some time. This will install. Okay, you have to accept the agreement here, or else you cannot click this next button. Now you have to select everything that is shown here. Click on next, click on install, and it will install Visual Studio Code for you. Uh, Now that is done, I will move on to the MinGW installer, which is to give us a C and C++ compiler. Uh, this link will be shared to you as well. Give it a while, this will be downloaded. Click on this, click on install, click on continue. This will not show up for you, but since I've already have it installed, I'm just going to click on reinstall. When that is done, click on continue. This option will not be selected. In a second. You will get this dialog box. You will have to select this option where it says MinGW32 -GCC -G++. Right click on it, click on mark for installation, go to this installation text here, click on it, click on apply changes. This will pop up, you have to click on apply. When that is done, you can close out of it. It will take more time than what it took me here. Now this should be green. When it is green, you can close out of it. The final part would be to add MinGW to the environment path so we can run it from a command line. So to do that, open up control panel, go to system security, search for environment, click on edit the system environment variables, click on environment variables, scroll down the bottom menu till you find path, click on edit, click on browse. You will get this pop up. Open up this PC, open local disk C, find where it says MinGW, open that folder up, click on the bin folder, and then click on OK. Okay, wait, give me a second. Sorry, I messed it up. Will don't change this. I accidentally changed this. You do not do that. You click on new, and then you click on edit. Just type something here, then click on edit, then click on edit, then click on browse. This PC, local disk C, MinGW, bin. Okay, click on OK. Close out of all of this and then restart your computer once and you should be good to go.